Hey guys, it's Keds here. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys know how I always stress the importance of a protein treatment on your hair. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I've stressed deep conditioning, but I also stress doing protein treatments on your hair, as I think that they are equally as important. So in the past, I would watch a lot of hair videos and hair care treatment videos, and people would overly stress deep conditioning your hair, conditioning your hair, moisturizing your hair, and not really stress protein as much. So in this video, I'm gonna do a protein treatment and show you guys how I whip up a quick protein treatment. There's obviously different treatments that you can do. For this one, I just used some ingredients that I had, and I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I did. Having a protein moisture balance is one of the gems to how I've cared for my hair in the past. So this is really important to me. I typically do this once a month, so every 4 to 6 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So actually I did my hair last week Saturday and I got sick. So today is Monday. But guess what we are due for today? We're due for, well, obviously a wash, but we're also due for a protein treatment. So I'm gonna do like the Cardi B version of the mask that I did in the video, except for way less ingredients. All I have out of the mask, I don't have any avocados, but I do have mayo, I do have egg, and I do have the olive oil. And one thing about that, my hair felt like really strong. I think I'm gonna do this protein treatment at least once a month, or when I really pay attention to when my hair needs it. And my hair has been breaking off, not crazy, but just a little bit. So I figured before my trims, I can catch it by just doing a protein treatment. So we're gonna mix this up right now. So just taking egg, mayo, extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm gonna mix it with this Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment from SHEA Moisture. This makes my hair really soft. I'm going to wash it out and then do a 5-minute conditioning treatment before I do my wash and go. Okay, so we've made our mixture. Also, I'm gonna put some tea tree oil on my scalp because since I've been stretching out my wash days, which in the past I usually like either wet or co-wash my hair on the 3rd day or something. But yeah, I've been stretching out my wash days, so my scalp has been extremely dry, especially on the last day. So I'm gonna put some of that olive oil with some tea tree oil for my scalp as well, and let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once I'm done shampooing, I take my SHEA Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, and this deep conditioner is so good, y'all. I love the way it smells. I love the amount of moisture that it gives my hair, and because of that protein treatment, I do have to put some moisture back into my hair. So what I do is I don't leave the deep conditioner in for as long. I only leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, just basically while I do my shower routine, because as y'all can see, I'm in deep thought, so even at some points it looks like I'm talking to myself, and then there's shampoo and conditioner everywhere. So this is why I always do my hair step before I shower, because it's just a mess. Okay, so I washed my hair and there is product in there. Again, I used these. I used these 3 products. And my curls look really good. Y'all, look at this like front left piece of my hair trying to be damaged like back in the day, but I'm not gonna allow it to this year or for the rest of the year. I'm gonna be on my hair game. I don't care whose birthday it is, I'm not straightening my hair, okay? It's just not worth it. And I don't know. People are just like, if you want to do something in your hair, do it, have fun, like, you know, do you. Trust me, I'm jealous of you. But just know that when you're done dyeing or frying, like, the first, like, obviously doing something like 1 or 2 times, there's not an issue with it. But like, if you just go crazy, just trust me on this, if you go crazy like dyeing it and using heat in it, like maybe not right away, but in a couple years, your hair is not gonna like you for it. You're just gonna wonder why you put it through all that. After showing her what love and care feels like, she's just gonna wonder why you put her through all that. You guys can't see, but like, there's like little hairs falling off the end, so I'm not in my full growth mode yet. I'm in my recovery mode. If you've seen the best hair advice I can give y'all, that was one of the best videos I filmed about hair. That was like so detailed. It's like my A1 hair regimen. Like that video. I'm just gonna close out this video right here while my hair air dries, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Girl, if you're in more than like, I get it if you don't want to subscribe to somebody that you only watch like 1 or 2 of their videos, but if you've seen a couple of my videos, just hit that subscribe button and join the fam, and then we'll see a lot more of each other in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.